just came to say hello.
Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. For my fellow crafters out there, please check the description for my Tech Wrap affiliate link. By clicking on that link, you will enjoy savings throughout the store. The current special on savings is 15%, and there are other discounts throughout the store as well. I swear by Tech Wrap, and it is the only vinyl that I use, as well as the transfer tapes. So make sure you hit that link. This is one of my Valentine's Day concepts. And in this concept, I have placed several items. We have our heart sponge, as well as our toe spacers with the bath salts. I also placed some collagen lotion in here, along with our head massager. I have lip gloss. We have lollipops and lip masks. We also have a pair of socks. And we have a compact mirror in here as well. I placed a box of chocolates on the back to help build this carousel. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Don't forget to hit that affiliate link for savings at Tech Wrap. And thank you all for your support. If you've not yet become a member of the Crafty Corner and joined one of our Crafty Corner clubs, please consider doing so. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed. But most importantly, continue to be a blessing.
I just came to say hello. 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 I just came to say